So, we've seen the tools, and on paper, they sound like a dream come true for companies. And to be fair, the benefits of adopting AI in recruitment are massive. First of all, it creates lightning-fast hiring cycles. Instead of a position staying vacant for months while HR digs through paperwork, AI slashes that time down to days. Then there are the massive cost savings. Companies don't need to spend thousands of hours on manual labor just to find a handful of qualified people. Plus, proponents of the tech argue it actually improves the quality of hire. By using objective data assessments, you theoretically get a much better match for the role, leading to long-term employee satisfaction. And let's not forget diversity. Humans are riddled with unconscious bias. We naturally favor people who look like us, talk like us, or share our background. AI, in theory, doesn't care about any of that. It only cares about skills and qualifications, which should lead to much fairer hiring decisions. But here's the catch. And it is a huge catch. Despite all these incredible benefits, replacing human intuition with algorithms comes with serious, unexpected risks. The biggest irony of all? Algorithmic bias. You see, an AI is only as good as the data we use to train it. If a company feeds the AI historical hiring data from the past 10 years, a period when mostly men were hired for tech roles, for example, the AI learns a dangerous lesson. It assumes that to be successful, you have to be male. Instead of eliminating human bias, the AI actually automates it and scales it up. Then there are the privacy concerns. To grade you, these tools collect an immense amount of personal data, from your resume details to biometric data like your facial expressions and voice tone. Where is that data stored? Who owns it? And how secure is it? These are massive regulatory minefields that companies are still trying to figure out. On top of that, there's the undeniable lack of a human touch. When you over-automate the hiring process, it starts to feel cold, robotic, and completely impersonal. Candidates feel like they're just a number in a machine, which can actually drive top talent away. So, where is all of this heading? The future of AI recruitment isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. We are already looking at emerging trends like virtual reality onboarding, where AI-powered VR environments train you before you even step foot in a real office. We're seeing advanced employee retention prediction, where algorithms monitor internal data to forecast exactly when a worker is getting dissatisfied and might quit. The reality is, AI in HR is completely revolutionizing the game. It is making recruitment faster, smarter, and incredibly efficient. But the organizations that win in the long run won't be the ones that replace humans with bots. The real winners will be the ones who figure out the perfect balance, combining the raw processing power of artificial intelligence with the empathy, intuition, and judgment of real human expertise. Think about the last time you applied for a job. The endless forms, the black hole where your resume disappears, and that agonizing wait just to get a generic rejection email 3 weeks later. It's frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you that the person reviewing your application isn't a person at all? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into a massive shift happening behind closed doors in the corporate world. We're talking about AI in HR. This isn't just a tech trend or a minor upgrade. Artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rulebook on how companies find, interview, and hire talent. And honestly, it's about time. Traditional hiring is notoriously broken. It takes forever, costs a fortune, and let's be real, human beings are inherently biased. We choose people who went to the same college, or who laugh at the same jokes. AI promised to fix all of that. But is it actually working, or are we just outsourcing our judgment to algorithms? That is the multi-million-dollar question. Because right now, AI recruitment tools are scaling up at a mind-blowing pace. They're using things like natural language processing to read your resume, machine learning to predict if you'll quit in 6 months, and even facial recognition during video calls. It's wild. Let's break down the actual tools changing the game right now. First up, the silent gatekeeper, AI resume screening software. Recruiters used to spend days drowning in hundreds of PDFs. Now, An AI scans thousands of applications in seconds. It looks for skills, experience, and keywords, instantly filtering out 90% of applicants before a human eye even sees them. Which means if your resume isn't optimized for the algorithm, you're invisible. But it doesn't stop, it resumes. Have you ever visited a career page and a little chat bubble pops up? Those are AI chatbots for candidate engagement. They're not just answering basic questions anymore. They are scheduling interviews, checking your availability, and guiding you through the hiring process 24/7. It makes the company look incredibly responsive, even if the entire HR team is asleep. Okay, but here is where it goes from helpful to a little bit sci-fi. Video interview AI tools. Imagine sitting in front of your webcam, answering interview questions. You think you're just talking to a camera, but the software is analyzing your facial expressions, the tone of your voice, your word choice, and your nonverbal cues. It scores your confidence and decides if you fit the company culture. That part always gives me chills. It's an incredibly deep level of data collection. And all of this feeds into predictive analytics. Companies are now using historical data to forecast employee success. The AI looks at who succeeded in the company over the last 10 years, finds the patterns, and matches new candidates against that blueprint. It sounds incredibly efficient. Faster hiring, lower costs, and data-driven decisions. But as we're about to see, turning human potential into pure data comes with some massive, unexpected risks.